Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Behance for showcasing UI/UX projects with better structure, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Behance website. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can choose to sign up using your email, or link your existing Adobe ID or social media accounts. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Once you have completed the registration, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Log into your new Behance account. To start showcasing your UI/UX projects, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Edit Profile to customize your profile information. Add a professional profile picture and a brief bio that highlights your background and skills in UI/UX design. Now, click on the Create a Project button to set up your first project showcase. Upload images and designs related to your UI/UX projects. Make sure to provide clear, concise descriptions for each piece you upload. Use tags effectively to categorize your project and make it easier for others to find. Consider adding featured images that best represent your work and attract viewers. Once you are satisfied with your project, click on the Publish button. After publishing, promote your project by sharing links on social media and design communities. Regularly update your profile with new projects to keep your portfolio fresh. Engage with other creatives by following them and leaving constructive comments on their work. Network through Behance to connect with other designers and potential collaborators. By following these steps, you can effectively showcase your UI/UX projects on Behance with better structure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.